As a child, I always looked forward to the time when the Panchamrit and Panjiri Prasad were distributed after the Puja. I simply loved it. Bringing you the recipe of this much respected Bhog today. For the Makhana Panjiri, in a heated pan, take 2 teaspoons of ghee for roasting the makhana. Once the ghee heats, add in 2 cups of makhana or fox nuts. We will roast them until crispy. While the most common form of panjiri is the one made out of atta, this Makhana Panjiri can be consumed even during the fast. The makhanas are roasted. You can take them out. Next, heat 1 teaspoon of ghee and add half a cup of cashew nuts. We will fry them until slightly golden. Let's take them out. Heat another teaspoon of ghee, add 1/4 cup of almonds and fry them. They are done. Let's take them out. The remaining ghee is enough to fry the seeds. Add 1/4 cup of melon seeds and fry. Once seeds turn golden, take them out. Time to grind the dry fruits. Let's transfer all these roasted dry fruits and grind them into a powder. Once this is done, let's transfer into a mixing bowl. I am adding 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut powder. Add half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix. Next, I am adding in 1 tablespoon of chopped dry fruits and 2 tablespoons of dried rose petals. The panjiri is ready. Let's make Panchamrut now. Panchamrut is a combination of 5 major ingredients coming together to make nectar or amrit. The first ingredient is fresh milk, second is curd, third is ghee, fourth is honey, and fifth is sugar. Let's mix the major ingredients. Half a liter of fresh milk. Please note this is raw milk, not boiled. 200 grams of curd, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Besides these must-have ingredients, I am adding 4 tablespoons of chopped makhana or fox nuts, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of raisins, half tablespoon of chironji or charoli seeds. Simply mix everything. So here is Panchamrut and Panjiri ready. You can add a few tulsi leaves before presenting it as a divine offering. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.